So we are here in the matter of Valdez versus Palmer, case number 15-01472DP. I've read your motion. The one question I had, sir, is you said she left on Monday or disappeared on Monday. What Monday?
2 weeks from this past Monday.
Okay,
This
because
last
I'm,
this past
you
this
know,
past Monday. 2 weeks
because
from that
yeah,
date.
okay. No offense. I just was trying to figure out a timeline here because you said she disappeared on a Monday, and I'm like, and forgive me, but I've had people that come in with stuff like that, and you find out it was 2 years ago. So
No,
it's
no, 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 no,
timing
sir.
is an issue. All right, Miss Valdez,
No.
what's going on?
So I have lived at my house for 12 years. Mr.
Okay,
Palmer has lived in and out over the past 12 years. He is
okay,
never on a lease. My
okay.
landlord was selling the house. I told
Okay.
Mr. Palmer this.
Okay. Did you tell him in writing or did you text him or?
I told him he didn't want to
Okay.
be on my mortgage. He didn't want to be
Okay.
on the
Okay.
utility bill.
That's fine. Then, um, have you guys reestablished parenting time then?
I filed for child support 3 months ago, and that's when he got violent with me, and I had to file it for a restraining order. They called
Okay.
up his job for a review. I requested help because Mr. Palmer doesn't have medical, so he can't take
Okay.
the
Well,
case to the doctor.
I don't see anything in the file that says that you've applied.
Oh, yeah, it was a review. They said that they do them automatically every 3 years. So I got in
Right.
contact with a friend of the court. They went and established
Okay.
what he makes through his job and mine, how many overnights, and they said that it should go under review for November because they do them every 3 years. They said,
Oh, okay. Okay. Then they are automatically reviewing the child support.
yeah.
Um, so what are you doing with parenting time? He obviously lives in and out of the house, so the kid's safe with him, or you feel safe with having the child with him. What are you guys doing about parenting time? Because you can't withhold the
Your your
child.
your your honor, your honor.
Yeah.
I don't mean to cut you off for here real quick, but I do want to explain to you. I have a letter here from the school,
Yeah.
from the principal himself, stating I have a letter here typed out as
Well,
far as stating my role and what I done there. This letter states that I have taken care of the kids and have picked them up for the past
I'm not
4 to
asking that right now.
I
Okay. I
understand, but
get
I'm telling
that.
you what can I
Yeah.
get at least get to what happened that day?
I'm assuming you've been very involved with the children because you guys have been living back and
I
forth.
have. That's the point I'm
That's
trying to
why I'm
make to you, Your
asking.
Honor.
I'm trying to set and find out what's happened. Obviously,
Okay, I'm
she
going
had
to
to
tell you
move
what
from the
happened right
house.
now, sir.
Yes.
I'm just going to explain. I'm trying to explain as best I can. I'm trying to take my time because I haven't seen my kids in over 2 weeks, and she's been holding them.
That's what I'm trying
Now,
to
now, hear
reestablish
me
if
out.
you'll let me.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just it's been over 2 weeks.
I'm setting the groundwork for making sure you get parenting time and let's get you re-involved with your child now. I'm just trying to find
Your
a
Honor.
decent way of doing it. And then
I
I'm going to
understand
send
you.
this to the front of the court for parenting time and child support so that both
I
are
and
looked
thank
at.
you, Your Honor. And all I'm trying to
Okay.
say, Your Honor, is this: that Monday, 2 weeks from this last Monday, I I had an altercation with Stephanie in the house, an argument because I was trying to help my son. I
So there
left the
was a
house.
domestic violence incident.
Yeah, no, it was no domestic violence because I
Yes,
never
it was,
touched
sir.
Hmm.
her, but it was verbally. Excuse me.
Hmm. Do
It
you
was
really want to keep
verbally.
talking?
Uh, I got no. I
You
got
know, if
no.
you're digging a hole, stop, put the shovel down. Okay.
I, I,
I figured something happened. I was trying to figure out how to move on without getting into dirty details that are going to be necessary for an actual parenting time order.
no, I know.
I'm just
I'm
trying to
not trying
establish
to.
because we're dealing with a child who turns 10 in about a month, right?
Yes, sir.
The file is only got about 20 pages in it, and this is from 2015. So there's no information in this file at all
Your
whatsoever.
your Your
Your
Honor.
motion was the fact that she stopped parenting time and disappeared on a Monday.
Yes.
Okay.
And if you
And
had,
you are asking to reestablish it. What I'm
yes,
trying to do is figure out what to reestablish.
we
I
never
figure
had.
something.
We never had a
Yes,
custody. We
I
never been
got
in.
that.
Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is this. All I'm trying to say is the kids were taken out of school and they haven't been enrolled in a school. And I
They're
also
in
have parents
school.
about that.
Can
He
you
has
let?
not contacted
All
me
right.
to
Do you
let
want
me
to see
know.
the child or not? Because I was trying to
I
get you to
do.
see the
I
child.
want
All
to see
right,
my
then let
kid.
me
I
get
haven't seen
there
him.
and I'll deal with the school issue second.
Uh,
Okay. Let's deal with this with what's important first, which is why
Yes,
I was
sir.
trying to get you parenting time.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Miss Valdez,
Yes, sir.
what is the intent on parenting time? He deserves it. He's been
Yes,
involved
sir.
with this child. We need to get something going.
Yes, sir. It's Darren. If he can just get a place of his own and have a safe place for the kids, I don't mind him seeing them, but he never does that.
Kids?
He never has a place.
Wait,
He
wait, wait.
never has,
Kids plural?
yeah, we have
Your
two.
honor, your honor, I lived with Stephanie for 12 years and we haven't been on and off. I have been in the house the whole entire
The
time.
landlord sold the house, Darren. You
Even
were not on the lease.
All right, I'm done. They are in school. What school are they in?
They are Saranac Elementary, sir.
Where were they 2 weeks ago?
They were at Kent Hills Elementary. That was where my old house was before it was sold.
So you had to move them to a different school district. Now you know the school
Yes, close
district,
to my
Mr.
job,
Palmer.
sir. Yes, close
Mr.
to my
Palmer,
job.
now you know the school district.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, here's the problem that I have. She has sole legal and sole physical custody. Parenting time is currently ordered as agreed by the parties. That is the current order. But you guys keep interrupting me, so I am not going to be of very much help to you this morning.
No,
So I
I'm
am
sorry.
sending this
I
to the
won't.
front of the court. Yeah, you've said that already.
No, your
So
honor.
I'm sending this to the front of the court for custody, parenting time, and child support issues. But I will warn you this. There is only one child in this case. The other child has not been legally established with Mr. Palmer as the father. Is there an affidavit signed for the second child?
No, sir.
All right, somebody better file a case to have that second child and make you, Mr. Palmer, the legal father of that child. I would encourage you both to figure out how to arrange for parenting time for both of these children because they both deserve it.
Yes, sir.
But while I'm trying to help you, you seem to keep interfering with my help. Therefore, I am done trying to help. I am going to
Your
help
honor,
by doing the only official channel that I've got.
your honor, I'm begging you. I have waited over 2
Yeah,
weeks and I have not went a day without seeing my kids. And it's been over
and I
2
tried
weeks.
to
I'm
help you
asking
see
you
them, and I tried to help you see them, but you kept interfering and you
and
kept doing things.
I'm sorry
Yeah,
because
you're very
I was
sorry.
trying.
But
No,
what
I
I'm going
really
to tell
am.
Miss Valdez is, do you have each other's
Come
contact
on.
information?
Yes, sir.
All right. Please contact him and let's arrange for some parenting time. Both of you keep notes about when you see the children.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. I'm sending this to the front of the court for a full custody, parenting time, and child support review, but it is only on Gloria. She is the only child in this case. Until you said kids plural, the court had no idea there were more than one. Somebody needs to open up a case and make him officially the legal father of the other child. Okay? Because
Yes,
we have
sir.
no legal case with that kid. So Mr. Palmer, Mr. Valdez, one of the two of you file a paternity action. Okay?
I'll
Then
do it
we
now.
can, yeah, then we can, you're at the courthouse, right, sir?
Yep, I'll do it now.
Please do so.
Yes, sir.
You guys are sure you did not sign an affidavit of paternity on the other
No,
child?
not for my son. I did
Okay.
not. I just automatically assumed he was mine, so I didn't.
No,
Which
no,
is the second
unfortunately,
part.
a child
It don't
born
work
out of
like that.
a child born out of wedlock has only one parent, and that's the mother, because we can always know who that is. We do not know who the father is. So you either have to sign an affidavit of parentage or she is the only parent. That's the way it remains by law. That's why you need to file a paternity action. That's the reason I was asking the question appropriately to make sure that you did not sign the affidavit, because there's two separate cases. If you've signed an affidavit, you have to file a custody case. If you have not been made the legal father, you need to file a paternity case. Please do so. It's on the 5th floor of the Legal Assistance Center at the courthouse. You may file that. Ms. Valdez, you'll be served those paperwork, and then as soon as possible, we'll combine these two cases so that we know that we can get both kids taken care of. I would encourage at this time, I was trying to figure out times and places. I'm not going to do that anymore because of the interactions here. I would encourage you, because Ms. Valdez withholding the children does play into custody and parenting time if you withhold the children. So don't. And
Okay.
please, in writing or text, keep him informed of the school. Sir, you now know the school. Please contact the school so that they have your information. That way you may be involved. All right, with the school.
Can I say something?
At this point in time, she has sole legal custody of both children, so I can't do anything about the change of school. You need joint legal custody to have any input in where the school is. So yes, ma'am.
I just had one more question. So because of the last time when the argument started, the Kent County issued a restraining order against Darren for me, and they're
Oh,
also
great.
issuing the address protection program for me as well. So
Okay.
I'm enrolling
So
that as
we
well.
have other problems then.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor,
Is there? Yeah.
can I speak, please?
Yes.
The PP order was placed on me when she left the house Monday. She placed it sometime that week.
Oh,
And I got
there's a
served
personal
Saturday,
protection
but I
order?
Yes, sir.
seen her. I haven't been in contact with her, Your
Yeah,
Honor.
well, no.
I'm stating that.
The personal protection orders are issued by the event that occurred that split you. So if it's that bad,
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
going to leave parenting time between the two of you and how you can arrange it. I'm not ordering anything. I can't. There's a restraining order now. Gee, nobody mentioned that till the last 2 seconds. So I will send this to the front of the court for parenting time, custody, and child support for the one child. And I'll note on here there is a second child and a case is being filed.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Good luck to both of you.
Thank you.
Hey. The epitome I can't fix in 5 minutes what you guys have been doing for 10 years.